Okay, don't mind that. So I went to look at a second place today. It is called, let me see. It's called the California Building. Here's like, I don't know if you can see this too well, but this is like the layout of it. So it's a luxury style apartment building here in New Orleans. I've already really made my decision on what apartment I'm gonna pick, or what apartment building I'm gonna pick, because the one that I like has parking included, water included, has a pool, brand new building. The unit will never have been used. Does that make sense? Never have been used. So I'm pretty much overlooking, honestly. Once you see one luxury apartment building, I feel like you've seen them all. You've seen the marble countertops, hardwood floors, LED lights, and that's it. But I might look at one more place, and I still will film that so you guys can get a better idea. And yeah, I'm on my way back to work. I had a dentist appointment, so. And speaking of a dentist appointment, so I am currently on an Invisalign treatment. If you haven't noticed, that's probably, I can't talk today. If you haven't noticed, I do have a lisp, and it's because of my liners. I've gotten used to it, so it doesn't really feel like I speak with the lisp, but sometimes I hear it. Like now, I'm just like, S's are just not it. But if you guys want a video all about that, like how much it cost, what I wish I would have known before getting it, tips, advice, just let me know. I am about 4 weeks away from being complete with my treatment, so I can actually show you guys. These are my final trays. And it's just like little retainers. And once I'm finished with these, I am going to do a little bit of bonding. I'm going to do some contouring and shaping with my teeth and whitening. So I will definitely show you guys what my teeth look like afterwards. Right now, they're okay, but perfect teeth is the goal. So yeah, that was it. I will check back in with you guys at the next apartment.